In this video, I want to talk about how you can be a Shein tester. Now this is super simple, guys. What you want to do is go to your profile, just click on it, find your free trial, head over here to home and find some products that you want to test. So just find anything that you like, press free trial, put in your address, and you will now receive the product to make a review on. Once you're there, your review will be coming here for your application, and they will review it and check if it's good. Now, if you get approved, you're gonna get points, and if your review gets rated as a high quality, you'll get even more points. Now, keep in mind, you'll have remaining opportunities this week is 3, and if you get a high quality, it will increase your chances for another free trial. So this is basically how it works. If all of your reviews are bad, you're not gonna be able to do this anymore. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.